थँक यू. पैसे नंतर. हां, आता काय विषय काढू नका.
म्हणजे you're making an excuse again.
Yeah, I do it for all the shows. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen, आणि नमस्कार मंडळी. मी श्रेयस तळपदे
आणि मी सोनाली बेंद्रे.
आप सभी का स्वागत करते हैं इस खूबसूरत शाम में, जहां हम देखेंगे मुंबई के ढंग, मुंबई के रंग, मुंबई की आन बान और शान. वेलकम टू द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ द T20 मुंबई लीग. आम्ही मुंबईकर, आम्ही क्रिकेटकर.
एक ऐसा टूर्नामेंट जो बदल देगा मुंबई के हर डिवीजन का लुक.
ओ भाई भाई,
काय?
अहो डिव्हिजन कशाला बोलताय?
म्हणजे-
डिव्हिजन एरिया बोला की एरिया.
डिव्हिजन एरिया एकच नाही का?
कसं नाही, डिव्हिजन म्हणजे असं डिवाइड केल्यासारखं वाटतं. एरिया म्हणजे कसं इमोशन येते, इमोशन. माझी एरिया, माझ्या एरियाची टीम. एरिया.
चल पटलं मला. काय बोलतोस ते बरोबर आहे. बघूया आपण आता एरियाचा डंका.
हा.
Tonight we turn a new page in the chapter of a very special game called the gentleman's game, as it all comes down to a relationship between the willow and leather.
वाह 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 सोनाली.
Huh?
रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन विलो एंड लेदर.
Absolutely.
कल पूरा दिन हर्षा भोगले के कमेंट्री के वीडियोस देखे यूट्यूब पे. हाँ,
चलता है यार. तो क्या हुआ?
मैंने भी-
मैदान कोई भी हो, प्लेयर को हमेशा तैयार होना चाहिए और मैं तैयार हूँ.
शाबाश शाबाश सोनाली. मुंबई की हवा में कुछ जादू है. हर कोई क्रिकेट की भाषा फटाफट समझ लेता है. खैर, मुंबई सिटी has gifted the sport of cricket some of its greatest players. Stars such as Vijay Merchant, Dilip Sardesai, Vijay Manjrekar, Paulie Umbrikar, Dilip Vengsarkar, Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar and many many more. सोनाली, आज एक्चुअली मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं बड़ा क्रिकेटर क्यों नहीं बना.
अच्छा, क्या है वो वजह?
मेरे नाम के आगे कर नहीं है ना. वेंगसरकर, गावस्कर, तेंदुलकर, मांजरेकर, कोच हमारे आचरेकर. मेरे नाम के आगे भी अगर तलपड़े कर तो मैंने एक्चुअली सोचा था कुछ ले दे कर कर कुछ होता है, बट क्रिकेट में वो नहीं चलता है.
कोई बात नहीं श्रेयस, तू बस काम कर, एक्टिंग कर, मेहनत कर. ओके?
ओके.
मैदान है हरा, भीड़ से भरा, फील्ड में चल दिए 11, विकेट है गड़े, तैयार हम खड़े, और अब देखेगा मुंबई शहर सारा.
वाह. 6 teams from 6 different geographical zones of Mumbai city will compete against one another for 11 days.
At where else but the seaside arena that in 2011 witnessed the Indian team lifting the 50 overs limited cricket World Cup, the iconic Wankhede Stadium.
The very same venue where Sunil Gavaskar scored a splendid 205 against the Windies.
The very same venue where current Indian cricket coach Ravi Shastri hit 6 sixes in an over off Baroda's Tilak Raj en route to the fastest double hundred in first-class cricket in 1984-85.
वाह, तुला माहिती है? क्या बात?
What did I say? कोई भी मैदान हो, प्लेयर हमेशा तैयार होना चाहिए.
I'm impressed. खूब छान. दोस्तों, इसी वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में होगा T20 मुंबई लीग. तालियां.
Shreyas, what is the one thing that fans get to hear every time they enter the Wankhede Stadium?
India, India.
वो तो है ही, but what else?
I know what you're talking about.
What?
You are talking about a name that has been synonymous with the sport of cricket for several decades now.
Yes. He is regarded as the most complete batsman of his time, the most prolific run maker of all time, and arguably the biggest cricket icon the game has ever known. He could score all around the wicket, off both front foot and back, could tune his technique to suit every condition, temper his game to suit every situation, and make runs in all parts of the world, in all conditions.
He also received the ultimate compliment from the ultimate batsman, the late Sir Don Bradman, who confided in his wife that this young man reminded him of himself. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage the T20 Mumbai League ambassador, a true Mumbaikar, a true cricketkar, the one and only Sachin Tendulkar. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
How are you? Good.
Now may I please request all of you to rise for the national anthem, please. Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Request you to please take your seats.
Sir, tumhi aata. Sir. So wherever you are comfortable, sir. We'll give you center
And now,
stage, sir.
stage is over to Sachin. It's all yours. Please address the gathering.
Thank you. Namaskar. सर्वप्रथम thank you very much. मला मुंबईकर म्हणून हाक मारली. Means a lot. This is indeed a special moment for all of us, for all Mumbaikars, all cricketers. At this juncture, I would like to congratulate MCA, IIFL, Probability Sport, Wizcraft. In fact, Wizcraft, my friends, who've completed 30 years in this industry. So congratulations, keep up the good work. I want to thank MCA under the leadership of Mr. Shelar, who's taken the initiative to make this tournament happen. I think this league is going to be really, really important for Mumbai cricketers, because as far as I'm concerned, I think it's all about getting opportunities and providing a platform to express yourself. When I was playing club cricket for various teams, CCI, Shivaji Park Youngsters, I noticed one thing. There were a number of club cricketers who were good enough to play for Mumbai Ranji team. And when I progressed to Ranji team, I also played alongside many Ranji players who were fit enough to fit in any international side. But due to those combinations, unfortunately, many of them were left with unfulfilled dreams. This league is going to provide that platform to those club cricketers who have worked hard for a number of years. For any sportsman, I think the most important thing is recognition and appreciation. There is no better tonic than that for them. This league is going to do that. This league is going to also provide employment to support staff. So if you put together 6 teams, 25 players each, you're looking at 150 guys making a living out of this league. And I feel in the 70s and 80s, even 10 years ago, there were no leagues like these. And the leagues where we can actually have a career playing cricket, playing any sport. I'm always of this opinion that earlier, parents required more courage to encourage their children to go out and play sport. Today, there are many such leagues where parents can comfortably say that, okay, if you don't end up playing for India, if you don't play for Mumbai, you still have Mumbai T20 League where you can earn decent money and above all, continue with your passion. I find passion is something most important for all cricketers. I see a lot of young faces here. And I believe where there is competition, there is going to be a lot of friction. And as long as in that friction there is positive outcome, it's still okay. Mumbai cricket has amazing history. Mumbai cricket, when I stand here in front of these stalwarts, I think of what I was while playing school cricket, and I was watching all of them practice. One of them gave me a bat, GM bat, when I was just starting to perform well for my school. And the other one gave me his leg guards. I need not name them because I'd like to believe that you know those names. The third one sitting here, I spent a lot of time with him, who was our coach from 1992 to 96. And I had one of the best years of cricket playing under him.
Amazing.
My message to all youngsters here is you have to be competitive. You have to play cricket as hard as you can. But something which is really, really important is you got to play it fair. Above all, with appreciation, recognition, not to forget that the game has brought you here. So don't respect the game. Don't disrespect the game. You got to understand the values and the importance of what, to me, I think when I was growing up, Achareka sir played a huge role with my brother in making me realize the importance of respecting the game and not finding shortcuts. I've tried to follow that. From my school days, I remember when I was practicing at Shivaji Park, the grounds were not in great condition. But then gradually, when we slowly started progressing, and I was asked to come for Mumbai under-15 selection, that was the first time I was introduced to Wankhede Stadium. And I'd never seen a cricket ground like that. And I thought cricket grounds are meant to be brown. How come a cricket ground here is green? The pitches were different. I was overawed by that, just that atmosphere there. But then I started doing well. I was selected to play under-15 for Mumbai. And every time during that camp, we would watch Ranji players practicing. And the aspiration was to get there, to somehow try and get in the Ranji team now. And that journey was incredible because along that, I learned a lot of things. I traveled in India, playing different tournaments. But there were limited facilities, is what I would say. And what I learned from champions sitting here is, champions, they have made the best of all the facilities which are available to them without complaining. And that is what we should also try and emulate. There'll always be something which will be lacking. I would ask the players to go out, give your best, and when there are problems, find solutions. Don't focus on problems. Don't focus on what is not there. Focus on what you've got. And I think you've got plenty to prove. For senior cricketers here, this is your golden opportunity to share all your knowledge that you have with youngsters aspiring to play for Mumbai and then to go on to play for India. I feel with international cricketers participating in this tournament is going to be really special for youngsters. I mean, I was watching Prithvi Shaw's matches just now in New Zealand, and the way he has progressed is remarkable. But this journey has just begun, and I know that you will not rest on your laurels and kind of put your foot off the accelerator. This is the time to press the accelerator as hard as possible, work as hard as possible. There are many mentors here in the team whom I've played with, whom I've played under. Make the most of this opportunity. I think this is a golden chance for all of you to go out, give your best, be fearless. I think for every cricketer, it is important to dream and dream big. And then you go out on the field to chase your dreams. So my message to all of you is be fearless. Don't be afraid to face challenges. There are going to be tough moments. Deal with those tough moments with dignity. Respect your opposition. Be competitive. Don't be soft on them, but respect them. Don't disrespect them. Finally, this tournament is going to be played in Wankhede Stadium, which is a special venue where I had the best moment of my life, the 2011 World Cup. But during my last game, Wankhede Stadium became even more special because my mother hadn't seen me. For 24 years, she hadn't seen me play live. That was the only match where she came to the stadium and she saw me play live. मी एवढं सगळ्यांना सांगू इच्छितो की ही अशी मोमेंट आहे जिकडे तुमच्या फॅमिली मेंबर्सने यायला पाहिजे तिकडे आणि तुम्ही काय करता हे बघायला पाहिजे. 24 वर्ष थांबण्याची गरज नाही आहे. All the very best. Enjoy this league. And above all, we can see that this league is already starting to get a lot of support. Let's come together and make it a grand success because we are looking at lifting Mumbai cricket standard to a next level. All the very best, guys, and enjoy the tournament.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Sachin, for that. खरंच खूप बरं वाटलं मनापासून आणि तुम्ही जे म्हणालात की त्या मोमेंटसाठी 24 वर्ष थांबायची गरज नाही आहे, which is absolutely right. I hope this tournament, this initiative, gives Indian cricket so many young cricketers कि जो आपकी तरह आगे चलकर नाम, शौहरत और मानता कमाए. So give it up for this T20 Mumbai League people. Wonderful.
Belief, Vishwas, Yaqeen is a big part of the sporting mindset. These words also hold true for the absolute faith that we Mumbaikars have in our patron elephant god.
आणि असं म्हणतात की कुठल्याही शुभ कार्याची सुरुवात गणपती बाप्पाच्या आशीर्वादाने केली पाहिजे. मग आपण का थांबलोय?
चला घेऊया आशीर्वाद आपल्या लाडक्या बाप्पाचा आणि आरंभ करूया आपल्या ह्या अद्भुत टूर्नामेंटचा.
तो आइए शाम की शुरुआत करते हैं गणेश वंदना के साथ. फैंटास्टिक परफॉर्मेंस लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. बोला गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया.
मंगल मूर्ति मोरया.
We would now request President MCA, Advocate Shri Ashish Shelarji, to please come up on stage and say a few words.
नमस्कार. आज या ठिकाणी मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनच्या वतीने तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करताना अतिशय आनंद होतोय. I genuinely feel that my managing committee members who are present here have done a really great job because as a teamwork we have worked together overnight for many days, and today we can see that this Mumbai Cricket Association's its own T20 Mumbai League is going to begin from tomorrow. I am really thankful to Sachin Tendulkar ji that he has accepted to become a league ambassador for this tournament. Sunil Gavaskar ji, Dilip Vengsarkar ji also to be the part of this grand T20 Mumbai League tournament. I can see that many more faces are here like Ajit Wadekar ji, Sandeep Patil, our ex-president Ravi Sawant, and many more who have contributed to see that Mumbai cricket should go a step ahead to achieve the best out of our own players. When we thought about this tournament, There was always a criticism in the society. There was always questions. So the same kind of questions and criticism, we was to reply about the same, but we are very confident that whatever homework our managing committee and our whole of Mumbai Cricket Association's member have done, we can do this. Ultimately, we got the best of the partners for us, IIFL, Probability Sports, and even the Wishcraft, that they have decided to be work with us. And today we can see, and I can vouch and I can make a statement that no other state association must have got this opportunity to present such kind of league in itself. I'm really thankful to all the 6 team owners also, that they have also participated in the tournament the way we wanted them to be. Also all the players, those who are going to play and contribute for this tournament, best of luck to all of them also. I genuinely again like to welcome you all and requesting you to enjoy this evening and even the tournament which is going to start from tomorrow till 21st. I request you all also to see a live game in Wankhede and enjoy the talent which we have in the Mumbai, and to see that we should get the best for this country from this tournament. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashish ji, for this wonderful initiative, wonderful tournament, and this gift to all the Mumbaikars. I now request you to take center stage for unveiling of the T20 Mumbai League trophy. And I'm also requesting the league mentor, Dilip Vengsarkar ji, to please come up on stage. We also request Mr. Karan Bhagat, Founder, Managing Director, and Chief Executive Officer, IIFL Investment Managers, to join us on stage, along with Mr. Kader Makani, Chief Executive Officer, Probability Sports, and Mr. Andre Timmins, Director, Wishcraft, to join us for the trophy unveiling.
have team number 2.
Give it up for the Triumph Knights, ladies and gentlemen.
मटुंगा का मैच होने वाला है शिवाजी पार्क धारा भी चैम्बूर डाला है बच्चा बच्चा मुंबई में क्रिकेट का क्रेजी है 50 ओवर वाला मैच थोड़ा लेसी है
there had to be a signature step with Mr. Kamli hearing that.
Somos supersonics इनकी आंखों में अंगारे हैं जीतेंगे ये बाजी सारी भड़क उठेगी चिंगारियां
गली गली में शोर होगा शोर भी वंस मोर होगा हर कोने का टैलेंट होगा टैलेंट भी भरपूर होगा
Namo Bandra Blasters, ladies and gentlemen. दोस्तों इस बात में तो कोई दो राय नहीं कि टक्कर होगी तो कांटे की ये
Yeah.
खेलेंगे तो जी जान से कंपटीशन होगी और जबरदस्त होगी
There will be no compromise on efforts. But at the same time, there will be absolutely no compromise on upholding the spirit of the game. The way
And-
Sachin said,
Absolutely.
be played fair.
And
Wasn't
any
that
action
the most
which
important
is
thing?
seen, yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Any action which is seen to abuse this spirit causes grave injury to the game itself. The major responsibility for ensuring the spirit of the fair play rests, of course, with the captains.
It is now time for the oath-taking ceremony, and to do the honors, we would like to call on stage a man who probably needs no introduction, but unki shaan mein kuch shabd bolne se raha nahi jata.
He's widely regarded as the greatest opening batsman of all times. His game was built around a picture-perfect technique and enormous powers of concentration.
It is hard to visualize a more beautiful defense, virtually unbreachable, which made his wicket among the hardest to earn. He had virtually every stroke in the book, but traded flair for the solidity that the Indian cricket team needed during his playing days.
He may have hung up his batting gloves, but his connect with the game is stronger than ever.
Please join us in welcoming the commissioner of the T20 Mumbai League, the living legend, Sunil Gavaskar.
Thank you for the kind words, Sonali and Shreyas. पण दोघांना एक प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे या ओथ टेकिंगच्या अगोदर.
Oh God.
Googly.
नाही गुगली नाही. सोनालीनी इथे आल्यावरती सांगितलं की मैदान कहाँ भी हो प्लेयर को तैयार होना चाहिए.
Oh God, why did I say it?
सोनाली एकच प्रश्न आहे तुला की तुला माहिती आहे इतकं आत्ता माझ्याबद्दल बोललीस ओपनिंग बॅट्समन वगैरे वगैरे आणि या नंबरला मला बॅटिंगला बोलवलंय आज. तू कशाला असतोयस श्रेयस? तू पण एक क्रिकेटच्या फिल्ममध्ये काम केलं होतंस ना? मग
माफ करा.
अरे नाही मस्ती करत होतो जोक करत होतो. पण आय वॉन्ट टू से ओनली वन थिंग कि this is like Sachin has said, this is an absolutely fantastic opportunity for the young talent in Mumbai to come and show their skills, their temperament, and to make a case for being selected for not just Mumbai but for higher honors. It's a wonderful opportunity. It will be a real test of your skill. It will be a test of your temperament. But also I think it's most important, and I think this is where the oath comes in, is for you as the captains to set an example to your team about the integrity of the game. I think as commissioner, I can say that there will be zero tolerance for anything which brings the game into disrepute. I know you should play hard, you should play fair, but I would urge you, sincerely urge you, that it should not be that you have to win at all costs, not win at the cost of sportsmanship, not win at the cost of honesty and integrity, because that's the only way that you're going to get the game higher, is by playing it with integrity. We've just recently seen what's been happening in other countries. We don't want that kind of situation here. We don't want any animosity between players, because at the end of the day, this is a sport. This is a sport which is also going to give you some income. I know that's not the only income that you're going to have, but it's going to give you something where you will be able to cherish the competition, cherish the moments that you spend on the field, and make friends. I think that's the most important thing. You've got to make friends on the field and off the field. On the field in the sense that you do not disrespect the opposition, like Sachin has said, and I think that's the way to go. So without speaking or giving you any more lecture, let me ask all of you all to take this oath. And this is this Spirit of Cricket pledge. Oh, I need my chasma now. The T20 Mumbai League has made it an excellent vehicle for promoting the MCC spirit of cricket to new audiences, and for ensuring some of the very best and most exciting players endorse the play hard, play fair message. Central to the MCC spirit of cricket message for all is respect for one's captain, opponents, and the umpires, and respect for this great game. Cricket should be played hard, and it should be played to win, but not at all costs. I now request all the team captains to sign the pledge on behalf of your teams to uphold the spirit of the game at all times. May I call Abhishek, please? Abhishek.
time to chat with a few legends here in the audience. So, Sonali ji, should we?
Of course. Always ready to chat. But I'm scared. What if he asks me some questions?
Again?
Yeah.
Answer them.
You'll handle it for me, right?
I'm going to be behind.
No, you said you would handle
Okay,
it.
don't worry, darling. I'm there. Behind. Okay.
Wait. I have
So?
a question.
Yeah. For
Yeah.
Sachin sir?
Yes.
All right.
May I? You know, Sachin, Mumbai has always generated this amazing level of cricketers. What do you think is the secret ingredient?
शिवाजी पार्कचा वडापाव. चिंच टाकलेला वडापाव.
Oh my God.
अरे चिंच
भूक
टाकलेला
लागली मला
वडापाव.
तर.
That is truly mouth watering. Sir, actually, हमें सूत्रों से भी पता चला और कुछ वायरल वीडियोस में भी देखा है कि आप खाना भी बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं, तो वो सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट हमारे काफ़ी जासूस फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. कहीं वैसा ही तो नहीं है कुछ चिंच टाकलेला?
यानी इन बिटवीन किसी ने थोड़ा मेरे साथ मजाक करने की कोशिश की और मुझे बताया कि ये शिवाजी पार्क का वड़ा पाव है. ऐसा कि नहीं चटनी वगैरह वो फ्लेवर अभी भी है, मुझे पता है. तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि वो इमली का पानी वड़ा पाव बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. उसके सिवा वड़ा पाव नहीं होता.
नहीं होता सर.
That's the
बिल्कुल
secret ingredient.
बिल्कुल यार, शिवाजी पार्क पास में ही है, कोई ला सकता है प्लीज? यहाँ से पानी आ गया. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Do you like this ingredient? Eh?
सनी पाजी, मे बी.
इससे पहले कि वो क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछे,
Actually,
आप पूछ
हाँ
लो.
एग्जैक्टली, आप पूछने से पहले मैं पूछ लूँ. एक्चुअली सोनाली के मन में काफ़ी डाउट्स है क्रिकेट के कुछ टर्म्स को लेके, तो उसके डेफिनेशन को लेके उसको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. तो हम एक्चुअली आपसे पहले उसका डेफिनेशन क्या है वो जानना चाहेंगे, एंड देन हम इसका डेफिनेशन क्या है वो भी सुनेंगे. सो
नहीं, मतलब we were talking about it. He was.
या सो आपको अगर इसका
knows
डेफिनेशन
more.
ठीक लगे तो आप सिक्सर बोल सकते हैं या तो क्लीन बोल्ड. सो फर्स्ट डाउट दैट शी हैड वाज, ये सिली पॉइंट क्यों होता है क्रिकेट में?
I mean, it's a gentleman's game. Why should it have a silly point? It's a gentleman's game. What is silly point in this?
Yeah, there's a point, but right now it's very silly. So
It's not
let's see
silly.
what he has
It's
to say.
a pertinent point.
There is a silly point because you are silly to stand in that position. So it is, you are standing very close. आता समजा मी इथे बॅटिंग करतोय तर तुम्ही इकडे उभे आहात
Sir.
बॅटीच्या एवढ्या जवळ. आणि मग कधी कधी एक रवी शास्त्री सारखा एक बॉलर आहे, त्यांनी अर्ध्या पिचवर टाकला, इयन बोथम सारख्या बॅट्समननी तो मारला की तिकडे सिली पॉइंटला जो उभा असतो त्याचा पाय तुटला.
So silly person
Silly
to
point.
stand at the silly point.
Silly point.
हे
Got it.
मला झालं 1982 मध्ये.
काय म्हणताय काय?
हो, मी सिली पॉइंटला होतो म्हणून त्याला
आणि-
म्हणून सिली म्हणतात.
अच्छा. तेव्हापासून त्याला सिली
तेव्हापासून.
पॉइंट असं म्हणू लागले. ऑलराईट. सर, अजून एक प्रश्न असा आहे की फाईन लेग म्हणजे काय?
म्हणजे काय आहे की there's a trouser, that there are so many pads, knee pad, this pad, that pad. फाईन लेग दिसतच नाहीये, तर फाईन लेग कोणी ठरवायचा?
बरोबर आहे, कारण काय एकेकाळी क्रिकेट जेव्हा खेळायचे तेव्हा सगळे शॉर्ट्समध्ये खेळत होते पहिल्यांदा. तेव्हा जे पाय दिसायचे त्याला फाईन लेग कधी कधी बोलायचे. आता पहिले जेव्हा मुली पण खेळायच्या त्या स्कर्टमध्ये खेळायच्या, आता पॅन्टमध्ये खेळतात, त्यामुळे पाय तर दिसतच नाही.
हो.
आता कुठला लेग आहे तो आम्हाला अजून
अजूनही fine leg का?
आम्ही जे कॉमेंट्री करतो आम्हाला पुष्कळ त्रास होतो बोलताना की हा कुठला लेग आहे आम्हाला समजत नाही, फाईन लेग का शॉर्ट लेग. कधी आणि त्याच्यानंतर फॉरवर्ड शॉर्ट लेग आहे का बॅकवर्ड शॉर्ट लेग आहे तो पण आम्हाला माहित नाही.
सर, तुम्ही खूप फॉरवर्ड शॉर्ट लेग.
तिकडे पण राहिलोय, तिकडे पण मार खाल्लाय फॉरवर्ड शॉर्ट लेगला राहून.
आणि सर, एक प्रश्न सोनालीलाच नाही, हा मलाही आहे आणि मला वाटतं आमच्या खूप जनतेलाही जो सतावतो आणि आय एम शुअर तुम्हालाही बऱ्याचदा तो सतावतो प्रश्न, की हे डकवर्थ लुईस काय आहे सर?
म्हणजे ऑप्शन्स मध्ये काय आहे? प्लेयर्सचं ऑप्शन होतं, तर हे डक अँड व्हॉट इज द वर्थ ऑफ द डक?
करेक्ट. म्हणजे
कोणालाही समजलं नाही हा काय सिस्टम आहे, कोणाला समजलं नाही.
इट्स लाईक वडापाव. आर यू इटिंग सम डक देअर? व्हॉट इज इट? ऑर इज इट लुईस? कार्ल लुईसचा कोणतरी रिलेटिव्ह?
कोणी नाही. आणि त्यामुळे जेव्हा हे पाऊस पडतो आणि ती शीट येते ड्रेसिंग रूममध्ये, ती शीट येते म्हणजे किती रन्स पाहिजेत, कितवी ओव्हर संपल्यानंतर किती रन्स पाहिजे जिंकायला, ती शीट्स जेव्हा येते तेव्हा डकवतचं जे पहिलं डी आहे ना, त्याच्यानंतरचे 2 लेटर्स आहेत ते त्यांनी सुरू होतं.
पुन्हा एकदा फ्रंट फुटवर येऊन. ओके. या वी प्रिटी मच फिगर्ड सर तुम्हाला काय म्हणायचं. बट सर ऑन अ व्हेरी सिरियस नोट, असं म्हणतात की T20 इज अ फॉर्मॅट ऑफ व्हेरी फिअरलेस माइंडसेट. आणि जेव्हा आपण फिअरलेस माइंडसेटचं म्हणतो तेव्हा सगळ्यात आधी तुमचं नाव येतं की तुम्ही जेव्हा वेस्ट इंडियन ग्रेट्स माल्कम मार्शल, जोएल गार्नर, सर अँडी रॉबर्ट्स यांना फेस करायचात, तेव्हा ज्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही फेस करायचात, यू यूज टू मेक इट लुक सो सिम्पल अँड इझी दॅट एव्हरीवन कॅन डू इट. What used to go on in your mind at that point in time, sir?
काही नाही, कीप युअर माइंड ब्लँक. कीप युअर माइंड खरोखर, यू कीप युअर माइंड ब्लँक, जस्ट फोकस ऑन द बॉल. आणि यू फोकस ऑन द बॉल, मग यू डोंट फोकस ऑन द बॉलर. सचिन विल टेल यू, किती मोठा बॉलर असला, यू डोंट प्ले द बॉलर, यू प्ले द बॉल. आणि तसं करायला लागला तर मग देन यू कॅन स्कोर रन्स अगेन्स्ट हिम.
But sir, you used to play without a helmet. In fact, we remember you used to play with one band. हम लोग कहते हैं सर पे कफन बांध के.
काय त्याच्यामध्ये काय मोठं काही नाही, आतमध्ये काही नव्हतं म्हणून प्रोटेक्ट करायला काही हेल्मेटची गरज नव्हती.
Fantastic, sir. Sir, one last question.
जी.
As an opening batsman, what would you like to tell these youngsters who would go out there to bat tomorrow?
Well, just go and play each ball on its merits. And score as quickly as you can, because you get only 20 overs to bat, so just play, you can play shots from the beginning, which test matches you don't always do, but in T20 cricket you can start playing shots from the beginning and entertain, because T20 is entertainment, and I think to do that you've got to start playing shots from the first ball.
Right from the word go.
Right from the word go.
Super. Sir, in fact, we are so happy we got to see this new Calypso song that has come out. You don't know about that?
That champion.
No, not the champion. Champion के बहुत पहले का ये.
मी आता गोल्डीला नक्की फोन करून सांगणार की तू काय मैदानामध्ये काय उतरल्यानंतर प्रिपेअर व्हायला पाहिजे, काही प्रिपेअर केलं नाहीयेस तू. गोल्डीला आता फोन लावणार.
एकत्र काहीतरी मॅच पाहत असतात त्यावेळेला they just need the snacks and me providing those. They don't need anything else from me. So.
But we are so happy, you don't know about the song.
No, I mean I know champion.
Oh, Gavaskar, he's the real master.
Oh my God.
The West Indians couldn't get Gavaskar out at all. Your man. To something like that. Right, sir?
I love this
Okay,
song.
It is a fantastic number. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Real pleasure talking to you, sir.
You can't.
Sir.
Absolutely. मला वाटलं श्रेयस चालला कुठे?
नाही, कुठेही नाही जाणार, सर. मगाशी म्हणालो, गावस्कर, तेंडुलकर, वेंगसरकर. बघा ना सर, तलपडे कर लावायला तयारी आहे माझी.
श्रेयस, तू प्रश्न विचारणार होतास.
नाही, मी इकडे मस्का मारायला आलोय.
श्रेयस, आपण इथे काम करायला आलोय.
No, sir.
I
will prove to it, sir, that I'll be the best water boy. Sir, give me one chance, sir.
श्रेयस.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. But thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. It was wonderful interacting. गिरा था अभी. Wonderful interacting.
Mumbai is often called the city of dreams, the city of opportunities. It is, of course, both. It is also a city of festivals.
For us Mumbaikars, festivals are linked closely to values, cultures, and customs. They depict the very nature of human relationships, and they come in various forms.
Each part of our city is linked to various festivals. For example, in the holy month of Ramadan, Muhammad Ali Road is the place to be.
We attend midnight mass at Mount Mary Church with members of the community.
We even stand hours in the line to get a glimpse of Lal Bagh Sa Raja during Ganesh Chaturthi.